Like,
we're going to
Sprouts, baby. And
we are in this one's new car.
And go check my channel. Plugging it for my new car tour.
We're on our way to Sprouts. Well, on our way to Spoiled. And we're going to cook chicken salad today.
It's not very appealing. Well,
no, it's going to be.
It's gonna be a gourmet. I got this off Marcus John's wife's Instagram. So.
Whoa, Vine throwback.
Vine throwback. Hi guys, today we're starting a mukbang. Baby.
We're filming the mukbang.
And guess what though? We're doing not a healthy mukbang, but we want to make our own food today. This is this is a story about a girl named Lucky. No,
we're gonna make our own food because we're done with eating out.
I think you were gonna say we're desperate.
That too. We're desperate for healthy.
Well, we spent like $30 on this meal.
It was $24.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want us to show you what we got?
$31 after tax.
Do you want us to show you?
Yeah, let's do a haul. We're gonna do a haul first. We got these for dessert.
You have to get a dessert.
Sprout. They smell really good, kind of like high school cookies, you know, like cafeteria shit. We got focaccia bread.
It's really good. I had it earlier this week.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to soak these, but we got very dirty grapes. We got green onion.
Shrek green onions.
I love green onions though.
I like onions. Red apples, 2 of them.
Oh, we're making chicken salad, by the way.
We didn't announce we're making chicken salad.
Pecans. Cherry on tomato.
Cherry tomatoes. Oh my god, tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes.
Celery. We're not juicing it.
And orange. This is for something to snack on.
Something to snack on. And it smells amazing. I can honestly cry when I smell this because I love this smell. It just makes me happy. Like that and sunblock.
Oh.
You know what I mean? And a fresh lemon too. Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Okay, so now we're gonna prepare the chicken, cut off all the fat on it. I wish I could do that to myself. And we're gonna prepare the chicken. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna season the chicken with salt and pepper only because we're
just
looking to make
basic white people shit.
Basic white people. This is spicy to us, so I'm gonna do that too. This is olive oil. EVOO. Let's get the veining out of here. I'm gonna throw up, dude. I hate, like, look at that. Oh, one big vein.
Oh,
You know what I mean? You gotta cut the giblets off.
Yeah.
Just because, like, you're not gonna like that piece anyhow, so you better not.
We are prepping.
We got celery. We got green onions. Apples. Grapes.
The grapes were soaking because they were gross.
They were dirty just like you.
Are the grapes whole or are they cut?
They're cat.
They're cat.
Just like your man. Vibes. You know the fucking vibes.
Green onions.
I love green onions.
Cut the apple.
We're using apples because I love the crunch of an apple. You see that?
Her lineup.
My lineup.
Chicken's done. Forgot we're going to cut up some of these cherry tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
They're really good.
We're gonna shred our chicken.
Have you seen those shredding claws that they have?
I wonder if they really work.
I saw it looked like they did. Okay, put your shit in the bowl. Is it good? Do I need to zoom in? I think we're good on this, right?
This took all day.
I know, I was thinking the same thing. We started at like 1 probably, and it is now 3 o'clock. Oh, woo! We don't know if this this video is focused on us.
It's gonna look so professional, by the way.
Yeah,
we have a bunch of roadblocks.
Yeah, we're really fucking.
This took us like, the whole entire day.
I like the way you did that. Bread too.
We got focaccia bread. Here's the first bite for me. She already dug in.
Oh, right.
Not my husband.
We're married?
Next time we learn our lesson, we should just eat out.
Next time, we just need to be more prepared. It's the chicken that took so long.
Yeah, we should have made it.
And it's my fault too. I should have made sure my camera was charged. I thought it would be because the last time I was using it, it was fully charged, but...
The recipe, you could have used a rotisserie chicken.
I was gonna say, we could have just... Sprouts has chicken. There's chicken there. It's good. Have you ever had it? We should have got it.
We should just got it.
I was thinking about that, but then I was like, oh no, you know, making your own chickens.
They're pretty good though.
I don't know. We're both still getting messages.
Bet you can't wiggle your ears.
What kind of bullshit is that? I keep getting, please send me a fart video. First of all, I don't fart on camera. Never do those. I don't.
Yeah, right. You check my last video on my channel.
Don't fucking call me out.
Oh, you're not gonna fucking put this in anyway, bitch.
I will burp if I'm not fart, and I'm not gonna send you a burping video unless you want to pay up.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. I like it. Ready for the work week?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna run pre-prep meal prep.
Meal prep. This would be great for meal prep.
I said prep meal.
I was starving. Dude, we didn't eat all day.
So yeah, I literally took this all day to film this.
Ridiculous. That was like a fast mukbang.
Because we were so hungry.
Mm-hmm.
We had a lot of roadblocks in this. You know what? I wish we had more international viewers that would send us packages, care packages. We needed a P.O. box.
No, you know what we need to do? Oh my god, Katie, are you kidding me?
Just like snacks from other countries, like chips and
Or even
crackers,
like snacks
chocolate,
from your,
candy. Candy is really where it's at. But.
snacks from your crown, your even your town. Dude, I ate so fast.
This recipe though was good.
Yeah,
Tasty.
Marcus John's wife. What if we like did drugs then?
Oh, that's good.
That would be the best. You know it's my drug? Sitting in bed, laying down on TikTok.
Cheers.
Good LaCroix is pretty good too.
I don't honestly don't really like.
I don't like it either, but it's cheap.
Oh, it's cheap.
Yeah. It's $1.99 a case.
You're fucking.
What, do I show my hand?
No,
Serious? Was I serious about it?
Oh my god, that was so good. I can't wait to zoom up in that.
Well,
I thought it was more expensive than Arrowhead, or is it like the same?
it's probably about the same. Target's the best place to get it.
But
But we get it at Fart and Smile. We get it at Fart Smile. We'll get like a big
Fart
case.
Smile.
Fart and Smile. Fart and Smart and Final. He's practicing sex. To do it.
I should think what I was like. I feel like Raven.
Yes!
It's scary.
I think it's to make some kind of drug in here.
No, I've been doing it before.
It's the grapes. I had to soak them and then I think there was some kind of magic dust on them.
Probably. I do like cooking our own food because we're overeating out.
It just grosses me out. Like I'm kind
That, but we're we're picky eaters and we like to eat basic ass shit when it comes to eating out. So like we're moving on to just making our own food. Also,
I'll be moving soon, so I'll have a better, brighter kitchen.
So the nicer kitchen, we will be filming more making our own food videos, mukbangs.
In that kitchen, for sure.
Yeah, we got a good setup.
We do.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, give it a thumbs up. No one's pressuring you, but you can do it if you want. It's free. You're not
Subscribe because that's free too, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified when we are making our mukbangs. This one was a trial one.
It was good. That one was a trial. We had a lot of roadblocks, but we did it.
A lot of roadblocks. It might be a little choppy, but that's it.
But it's going to be a very choppy video. But
that was gourmet. Thank you.
My husband, hear that? Gourmet. All right, guys, subscribe. I'll see you later.